Get to know ExCel Event Center in London. ExCel is an international exhibition and convention center. It is built on a 100-acre site in Royal Victoria Dock in London Docklands, between Canary Wharf and the London City Airport. It has a car parking space for 5,500 cars and was opened in the year 2000. The center is owned by ADNEC group of companies. ADNEC means Abu Dhabi National Exhibition Company, which is part of the MENA, or MENA as you might call it, is the Middle East and North Africa region's largest holding company. ExCel hosts up to 400 events each year, welcoming about 40,000 exhibiting companies and over 4 million people from across the world. It has 2 stations adjacent to the venue. That's the DLR, Docklands Light Railway, and Elizabeth Line, which was recently commissioned. And so it's easily accessible to everyone. According to the company, the events hosted at ExCel delivers about $4.5 billion pounds sterling in economic impact to London, 4.5 billion pounds sterling, and supports 37,600,000 jobs, bringing 25% of London's inbound business tourism. So it has over 37,600 jobs or employees and brings 25% of London's inbound business tourists. As a tourist or tourism expert, bringing business tourists to a city is one of the biggest things you could really do to support that city. An ExCel Center does that for London. In 2012, ExCel played host to 7 Olympics and 6 Paralympic events as part of London 2012 Olympic Games. In 2018, World Travel Market, which is my industry tourism most popular event in London, known as the World Travel Market, had the largest show ever. It was open for over 3 days and had over 93,000 visitors at this event. They had 7,500 exhibitors and 120 tourism ministers from across the world. Places in close proximity to ExCel Center includes the following: Canary Wharf, which is one of Europe's most vibrant business districts, is 3 minutes away with over 200 shops, cafes, bars, and restaurants with leisure service facilities. And this place is just 3 minutes away from ExCel. The O2, which is another major center, is about 10 minutes away from ExCel with 23,000-seater arena, offering a variety of bars, restaurants, the Indigo O2, shopping outlets, and visitor attractions. Now in this clip, you can see someone actually giving a lecture on how to prepare a particular meal. This event that I attended was the hotel, restaurants, and catering event. And there were so many things going on, so much food on display, so much to talk about in the industry of catering and restaurants. There was so much for you to go around and have and enjoy. And one of the events, lots of events I participated in, or rather lectures. This particular one in the clip was about exporters. And it was very, very educational. So, these are the kind of things you will see at ExCel. Events, activities, meetings, you name it, happens in ExCel. The other place very close to the ExCel is the Westfield Stratford City, one of Europe's largest urban shopping center, which is just about 15 minutes away from ExCel and has over 300 shops, bars and restaurants, cinemas, bowling alleys, casinos. So ExCel is really located in a very, very accessible place that you cannot say you're struggling to find what to do around that area. ExCel also has an airport very near to it. The nearest airport to ExCel is the London City Airport, which is only about 5 minutes away from the center, which is just about 1.2 mile distance between them. There are numerous hotels in very close proximity to ExCel, in addition to hotels in Canary Wharf, the City Airport, City of London, Stratford, you name it. In the very early beginning part of the clip, I had shown lots of the hotels very, very close to the ExCel. While attending events in London, which there's so many more event centers like Olympia and others, ExCel is one of the very best ones to attend events in because it has proximity to everything you want to have. Now in these clips you can see all the various foods that were on display. Here something is being manufactured, you can see it dropping, and it's actually set up this equipment place for you to see how it's being manufactured. This was about the scientific institute of something to do with science. They just put a cake there for us to be attracted to the stand. And then someone was showing their packaging. But I attended a packaging event not too long ago in Birmingham, so packaging was in the desire. And this particular event, something that really came out was all about the plant-based processing of food. So I actually experienced some things like tasted like chicken, but they had mushroom in it and had no chicken in it. And the cheese we saw earlier is made up of shea butter and some other oils, absolutely nothing to do with regular milk and cheese, as you would know with cheese. So this was quite a unique event, looking at various ways of manufacturing food without necessarily using the regular ingredients that we're used to manufacture food. So everything was right here on display. And this another really beautiful stand I looked at. This person shows all types of spices you can think about. It's called Spice Factory. And they had so much on display, showing us the various types of spice. And coming from Nigeria, it really attracted me because, again, we have a lot of spice in Nigeria, which is one of my dream business idea to work in. So this event was quite an exciting event, so much to see, so much to do. But of course, ExCel, being the venue, again attracted a lot of visitors to the place. And there's so many events that takes place in ExCel, so many. If you're really interested in attending events in ExCel, go on their website and just search for events in ExCel. If you're in London, you can never be bored of where to go because ExCel has it all. They practically have events nearly every day. So there you have it, ExCel Center for you.